parents and viewers, welcome to my channel Epreschoolers. I am Meeta. Today I am going to show you a few simple tips through which you can help your child to learn cursive writing easily. Cursive writing is a different pattern of English language which your child is already acquainted with. So if you follow few tips, your child can learn cursive writing easily. Please watch this video till the end to know all the tips which are going to be very useful when you are going to introduce cursive writing your child. And if you are new here, please subscribe my channel to get notification for the upcoming videos. So whenever you are planning to start cursive writing for your child, start with pattern or stroke writing first. Cursive writing is almost similar to the small alphabet. The only difference is the strokes. So help your child to learn and practice those strokes first quite good number of times. After the child learn how to practice the strokes, next you can move to tracing. Whenever a child will trace any pattern, both muscle memory and visual memory will work together and it will help the child to understand the formation of that letter. If the child will learn wrong formation of any letter, it is going to be very difficult for the child to relearn the correct formation. Formation of letter is very important. If the child will learn the correct formation of B, it will help him to learn the others letters with similar strokes easily, and also the handwriting will become neat and fluent, which will not occur if the child writes in wrong way. So help your child to learn the correct formation of letters. And also you should help the child to practice cursive writing on a regular basis. When initially child will start cursive writing, you can give 2 to 3 letters. Then slowly you can introduce more letters to the child. Initially, when your child will start writing letters, go with slow pace. Give enough time for the child. Once the child will learn how to write it, gradually you can speed up the process. This is all about cursive writing. If you follow all these steps, your child is going to learn cursive writing very easily. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and keep watching me for more videos like this.